everyone, it's Maria.
Hi, it's Ellen too.
And on this week's video, we're going to show you how we made a witch's potion book to go along with the one I made last year. And if you'd like to see how that one came out, make sure you watch next week when I show you how I decorated my house for Halloween.
We upload a video every Monday, so make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that bell so you get notified.
So with that, let's show you how it's done. The book I got at a thrift store, 99 cents, real easy. Paper towel, black paint that I got at Walmart, but if you get it once, paint lasts a long time. Burnt auburn, and Mod Podge. The medallion that I got at Joann's a few months ago. It was on sale and I just thought it looked really cool and I could use it for something. So I got that. I got these at Walmart just to embellish around the book, and also these letters to put anything you want. Last year I put mystical spells. This year I'm going to put potions. So you lay it all out and see how I put the rubber band down there to make sure that the letters were all even.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, I thought it was cool too. Good idea. On my part.
Hey.
Okay. So then you can just put around what you have, things you have around your house. Glue them down, stick them down. Just set up the book the way you would like it to look. And this reminded me of like a crystal ball, so I thought that would look really cool on the book.
It is fun.
So make sure everything's stuck down perfectly. Oh, and see, my pea fell off, so now I gotta stick that on, and it's not sticking. So let's just get another one. It's just a lot easier if things are just stuck down.
Oh, definitely. But the rubber band is a great trick.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so you get a paper towel and you split it in half so you have one ply. And just go ahead and make sure that you have enough around. Get the Mod Podge. And I found that if you just glue it to the book, put the Mod Podge on the book first, and then put the paper down, it seems to get into all the
nooks and crannies.
I guess. Yeah, exactly. And then when you're doing the inside of the book, just like you're wrapping a present, you just fold it like that inside, and you do that all on the inside of the book. So like you see, I'm pressing it down. And there's some times when I didn't put the glue down first in the paper towel, and I should have just glued it all down and then put the paper towel. But hey, it's crafting, so you learn as you're going along, right? So like I was saying, like we're wrapping a present. This is how you're going to glue the inside in.
It reminds me of when we had to put book covers on our books for school.
Oh, yeah, a long time ago.
I know everything's online these days, huh?
Yeah, right. So like see here, I started gluing it just on top of the paper towel. Like I said, it's a lot easier if you just put the glue on the book first and then put the paper towel down after. So like I'm doing here. And you just make sure you have enough glue. I mean, you get the glue at the Dollar Tree. And you don't use the whole bottle. I mean, half of the bottle will get you through one book. And when you're putting the glue on, you want to make sure that you have creases, because that's the look you're going for. The look that I'm going for in this book is to make it look like old leather. And if you put paper towels on top of more paper towel, don't worry about it. You're not going to see it, because once it's all painted, all you're going to see is just all the little grooves that you're putting into it.
It gives it a lot of texture.
You can also do...
Looks good.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's what you're looking for.
What a great technique.
Yeah, it's especially here on the back. I like the way the back came out, because it really looks like it's got a lot of texture to it. So now once that's all dry, go ahead and start painting it black. You paint the whole thing black, and make sure that you get the inside of the cover of the book. Black also. And here, I'm using the burnt auburn, and it's almost like a dry brush. You don't want to add any water to the paint whatsoever. And just lightly, just go over, and it's only going to pick up the parts that are elevated.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that totally looks like a chocolate bar, Ree. Doesn't it look like a Hershey bar with the letters?
It does.
Oh my gosh. That really reminds me of Halloween candy and trick-or-treating. And, and I forgot to tell you about the girls and what their costumes are going to be.
Okay.
If you guys checked us out last week, well, I wasn't so prepared with my information, but I have it now. My Mara is going to be Rapunzel.
Your granddaughters.
Yes, my granddaughters. And Gwenny's going to be a chicken, which I can't wait to see that. She's a 1-year-old chicken. So fun. And then Savannah is going to be a cat, and she's going to be an awesome cat. And then Olivia will be a unicorn. So it'll be a lot of fun.
Oh, there you go.
So you have...
Can't wait to see pictures.
I know. And so just please comment below with costumes that your kids and grandkids are going to wear, because we would love to hear about it.
So as you can see, I'm just going over it. You can put as much or as little as you want. It all depends on how you want your book to look. Like I said, I'm going for that real old leather look. Wow. And you're still going to see all the black, so don't think that I'm painting everything just all brown. You'll see once it's all done, it comes out really cool.
It's making me hungry, Ray.
Is it?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, jeez.
I can't believe the change in this book.
I know. It's actually so simple to do.
Wow.
So once that's all done, I still wanted it to look a little bit more older. So I got the terracotta beige. And you just want to go ahead and lightly, a little bit more lightly than you did the brown, the burnt auburn, and go over all the parts that are raised again. And it's going to make it look even older. Because we're talking about a long time ago when these witches had these books.
Oh my gosh. If they could talk, right?
Yeah, right? Oh, yeah, I liked, when I did mine last year, I liked that it came out so unique because it was all my ideas of how I wanted it to decorate and stuff like that. And that's the fun of it. It doesn't have to look like everyone else's. You guys, if you just go along with this and make it your own, it makes it that much special. And so now I'm using metallic silver to go over the letters that I put down and all the little swirls and embellishments that I put on top of the book, and that's really going to make it pop.
Wow, that looks so great. It looks so old, Maria. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I really like the way it came out.
You can just see the texture in it.
Yeah, I think it looks better how you're seeing it right now than just the still photo that I had, because it looks a lot older here than it does. I mean, it looks old in real life, like when I look at it, but for some reason in the picture it doesn't look as old as it does right now. But it does in person look old, if that makes sense.
No, it totally does, because it has a little bit more of the faded look that something old would have.
Right. And then you just want to make sure that you just put the silver paint all over the parts that are popping up. Yeah, not the whole book, just the letters and the swirls and the diamonds and whatever you decided to put on there, because this is your book and you're creating it the way you want it to look. But this is the way I wanted mine to look. Yeah, so once that's all done, it's still, for the letters still don't look old enough to me. So what I did, after I glued on the medallion, you get the burnt auburn and you dip your paintbrush in water and just get a lightly brush all over the medallion, the letters and the swirls, and that's not going to make it, it's going to make it look old. Because you don't want a book that's going to have bright letters on it, because then it's going to defeat the purpose of making it old, right?
You want it to look consistent.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's amazing to see this come to life, Ree.
Yeah. It looks really good with my other book, too. Yeah. You'll have to check that out next week. Yeah, so like I said, do as much as or as little as you want. It's all up to you. It's your book. I'm just showing you how I did mine.
You comment and let us know, and so that way we know how awesome it turned out.
There you go. And there's the book. How cool is that, huh?
That looks great.
It does. I'm really happy the way it turned out. And it was so easy to do. And so inexpensive, too. I mean, who doesn't have paper towels? Who can't go to the 99-cent store or the Dollar Tree and get a book?
So, please share with your friends. And that means you need to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and click that bell so you'll be notified for our next video on Monday.
And if you guys want more ideas on Halloween, check out our other videos. Thanks for stopping by.
Till next time. Bye.